Stop the bathroom blender. Ever wandered around a huge venue like a wedding hall or conference center, desperately searching for the restroom? The panic of a full bladder in an unfamiliar place is real. We are going to build a device that saves you from that stress and embarrassment. This simple DIY project will save you from that awkward, frantic hunt. Illuminate your path to relief. Imagine a bright LED arrow pointing the way to the nearest toilet. It is not just a cool gadget. It is a beacon of hope for everyone lost in a new, unfamiliar building. Ever get lost looking for the restroom in a huge, unfamiliar venue? We have all been there, wandering through a massive conference hall or a sprawling wedding venue, desperately searching for a sign. This simple DIY gadget will solve that problem for you and your guests forever. Looking to add a unique, high-tech touch to your next event? This project is more than just a light. It is a modern convenience that demonstrates you have thought of every detail. Stay tuned to learn how to build this essential utility. Want a project that is super useful and looks great? We are building a practical, elegant LED sign that is perfect for any large space, from a bustling wedding hall to a quiet gallery. It is a simple build with a huge impact. Ever notice how hard it is to find the restroom in the dark or in a crowded room? This project solves a real-world problem with a simple, clever solution. Learn how to build a clear, visible guide that helps everyone find their way. Ready to build a smart home gadget that you will actually use? This LED pointer is not just for fun. It is a genuinely useful tool that improves convenience and accessibility for everyone, everywhere. Let us get started. The LED pointer circuit schematic is shown here. Please go through the circuit. It is a simple one. The circuit is coiled around one CMOS IC 4049. 8 LEDs are arranged in an arrow shape. The LED D1 to D8 glows one after another. The inverter circuits N1 to N6 in this IC is responsible for lighting up the LEDs one after another, and it gives a glowing pointer-like arrow-shaped illuminating path to showing the direction. Very minimum components are used, and it is easy to assemble the circuit. The specialty of the design is this circuit uses 16-pin CMOS IC 4049. It works even with 9-volt battery. You can use PP3 9-volt battery for economy. It is simple and straight away you can use it. It can be fixed on the wall itself. LED D1 to D8, that 8 LEDs sequentially glows one after another in the shape of an arrow. It is a straightforward circuit and easy to assemble even for a novice. The 4049 IC diagram is shown here. It is a 16-pin IC, pin 1 to 8 on one side and pin 9 to 16 on another side. Pin 1 is connected to positive power supply and pin 8 is earthed. It gets negative power supply. Here all the 6 inverters N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6 are shown separately from the circuit. For clarity purpose, you may confuse with the original circuit. By seeing this figure, you will be clear and you can make the right connection. For example, D1 LED diode is connected to R1 load resistor to pin 2 of the N6 inverter. Then each LEDs are being connected to individual inverters as explained in my working principle, which follows here. Please go through the inverter arrangements and pin connections carefully. It will be very useful for your assembling purpose. The LED arrow is shown here. D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. 6, 7 and 8 are the tip of the arrow. It shows the direction. It's way to the toilet. This picture will be helpful for your constructing the arrow in the project. The working of the circuit is described here. Sequential glowing of LEDs one after another from D1 to D8 in the shape of an arrow attracts the observer's sight. 6 inverter circuits N1 to N6 in the IC 4049 sequentially operate and illuminate the corresponding LEDs. Inverter N6, N2, N3, N4, N5 and then N1 work sequentially in this order. Sequential time delays for the inverters are achieved through an RC network in the circuit. Hence, connect the D1 to D8 LEDs according to the inverter connections as per the order. Then only it gives a sequential glow from D1 to D8, directing the arrow direction. The circuit draws just 50 milliamps current for operation. Hence, PP3 9-volt battery works perfectly. No external mains current supply is necessary. Hence, it works even in power failure situations. The spare parts list is given here. The IC and 8 numbers of red color LEDs, preferably rectangular shaped LEDs, can be used here, and a few capacitors and a few resistors. With these, all the details are given in the spare parts list. Assembling tips. This circuit can be easily assembled on a solderless breadboard or a general purpose printed board. Use a 16-pin IC socket to insert the CMOS IC 4049. It is advisable to use rectangular shaped LEDs to form the LED arrow shape. If one desires, use a regulated 9-volt DC power supply unit to energize the circuit also. Take the help of the picture shown in arranging LEDs in the shape of an arrow. A list of spare parts is given. Like the video, share with others, and please do not forget to subscribe to get more such useful videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.